Hi friends, I'm Vandana Rao from Mumbai. I had attended this online course of Mind Liberation Control conducted by Manoj Kumar Nair, and I had a very wonderful journey of adventure and magic with so many beings of light. And my experience is something and so vivid in my memory that I just cannot forget it. It's a wonderful experience knowing so many things, so many techniques, how to liberate your mind. Friends, I would like to tell you that once you are on a spiritual journey, you are going to face a number of things. Like you won't know how to deal with the power of your mind. You need to have some control over it. Your consciousness is awakening, you're on a spiritual journey. You have got a number of people outside who is teaching you a lot of spiritual things to you, but afterwards once you are awakened, what you have to do, how do you control your mind, what's happening with you, they are not there to tell you, they are not there to guide you, and you are left on your own to deal with the kind of things that are happening, and you are so very like stupefied, or what do you say, you don't know how to deal with it. So it's very important for us to learn to control our mind. You need to know, you need to have some techniques for that. And I had a lot of these problems of controlling the kind of powers that they start rising within you. So I have been praying to God that let me get somebody who could guide me, who would tell me what I should do, how do I control it, how do I channel this power for the best thing, like best purposes. And then I met Manoj Kumar Nair, who has a wonderful way of liberating you from whatever problems you are having within you, which you have held it for such a long time. It's a kind of liberation which is different for every other person. My liberation, whatever I have problems, whatever I have held back, is different from what others have held back inside them. He is a person who is able to see what's there in there, that person, what liberation that person needs. And every time he could come up with a different innovative technique to release you, to liberate you from all the kind of discomforts that you were going on since so many years. I'm telling you friends, this is the age of the mind, age of the intelligence and spiritual awakening, and you should be ready for whatever is happening inside of you. In ancient India, we had these sages, these teachers who used to have a one-to-one connection or an attention over every student and how he is spiritually developing. But do we have such teachers now who is there to guide you appropriately? What path you are choosing, what path you have to walk on? Is there a person who is going to guide you properly? I have tried to see for such a guide since so many years, and I have come up with Mr. Manoji just now, and I have felt so liberated after this online course that I've done. And one more thing I would like to add is that you are feeling empowered, independent. You don't have to ask anybody how to take a decision. You are very confident about taking your decisions. You know how to deal with people outside. Your manifestations are very instantaneous. It's not like I have to ponder whether I have to take this decision or that. Your consciousness has increased, and you are clear in your mind, clear in your decisions. And also that when you are doing your multidimensional tasks, you have to know how to have a control of everything, which earlier I was feeling like as if it's messed up and it's all getting cluttered inside me. Now I'm able to control each and every aspect of myself, and I'm able to do the task very very in a very organized way. So friends, I would like to always stress on this factor that It is the right time for you to strengthen your mind, liberate it, and be very, very powerful within yourself, so that you can also be a guide to somebody. You can be an ideal for some other person. When he sees you doing certain things, he'll also feel inspired, and he will also ask you, how is it that you're able to control every aspect of your life and be so successful? So, friends, this is the time that you have to go to such a course which will help you in your future, in your manifestations. And this is what I have learned here. And with the people that I'm connecting are so very lovely, so very loving, and they are full of energy, light. I would say they're just radiant beings. And Manojji, I cannot tell you what I have experienced. Such a kind, noble soul. He's so patient. He is able to know what you require without you asking for it. So I feel that everyone should go on this wonderful journey, feel liberated, and I'm very much grateful and thankful to Manojji for whatever guidance he has given to me, and is still giving to all of us. Thank you so much.